park the car nice and safe, and put a chalk on the back side wheel, and put the front wheel on the ramp, and then you open the oil cap. That makes easy to release oil out. Then you need to prepare the oil at 0W20 and 64mm wrench, and also the YZZA6 oil field. I will list all these below my video. Also, you need a 14mm wrench socket. Maybe your car has a cover underneath on your engine, the oil screw. So you need to take the cap off first. Mine don't have the cover, so I don't need to take off the clipper and the cover. Now the oil should clean. Now put the oil drain plug socket back. Then tighten the plug. Use the socket wrench. Now it's time to take the oil filter cap off. You need to use the 64mm oil wrench to take oil filter cap off. After you take off the oil filter, it's time for you to change oil filter. Now take off the oil filter. And change the O-ring. Put a new one on. Put some oil on the new O-ring. Now it's time to put the oil field back